Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you this hairstyle which I think is really good for hair growth. Now let's get started with this video. I like to start with parting her hair in the way that I will be styling her hair. After hydrating her hair and moisturizing her hair, I will put some oil around her scalp. Then I'm gonna start braiding her hair. I already did few braids, so here I'm just gonna show you how I braid her hair. It's kind of hard to explain, so I'm just gonna let the video roll and put it on slow motion for you guys to see how I do braids. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you know. So I will continue doing this until I get to the end. Once I get to the end, I will twist the end with my fingers. This is just to avoid braiding all the way to the end. So when I take the braids out, it's really easy to take the braids out. So I will do the same thing again on the next portion of the hair. I would hydrate her hair, moisturize it, put some oil on it, and start braiding. You might ask, why do I think this hairstyle is good for hair growth? The reason why I think this hairstyle is good for hair growth, because I will be able to access her scalp, her hair easily with this hairstyle compared to if I add some extension or I do some fancy crazy hairstyle. With this hairstyle, I can access her scalp easily and I can moisturize her hair. Let me know in the comment below what you think about this hairstyle. This is the final look of this hairstyle. I added a little bit of accessory on the hairstyle just to bring a little something, a little touch on the hairstyle. But this is how this hairstyle came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you all our next video. Bye.